Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are looking at the K2 RGBW LED pod lights. So we're going to go open it up, show you guys what you get. So they give you a manual and they show you guys how to use it, how to hook it up. So guys, these are what the lights look like. Very nice LED design. Inside here we have our bracket for the lights. So you would connect each light on here. So you got your two brackets, then you got your main plug. You have your bolts and bracket as well for mounting. You also have your other plug, and then you have two different switches, and then you also have a fuse and your positive and negative. So you just connect this to your positive, the other one to the negative, and then you press on and off switch and just hook everything up. They actually make this pretty simple. We'll see if we want to use their brackets or customize something else for our own. But very nice. Alright guys, so this is what the headlight looks like, and this is what the lights look like. So when you have it hooked up, make sure you don't touch the negative and negative. I do recommend all of the exposed wire you wrap with electric tape, just so they don't touch each other. So that's very important, my friends. So guys, here you can see the lights. So pretty awesome. And you can adjust that by the switches. So by toggling the switches on and off. So let me show you. So now that we turn the one off, now we have these red different lights here. So that goes around. So just like that. So you can have them on, and you just turn off the switches. Depends on what you want. You can just have the mega bright LED lights on, if that's what you choose. Overall, very nice. So we'll be installing these in the spring or summer. And guys, yes, they are super, super bright. I mean, super, super bright.